In this video, you will learn about the 5 websites that pay you to type. The work involves typing work, data entry work and transcription work. So the 5 websites that will pay you to do type work are: 1. TranscribeMe. It is one of the biggest transcription websites where you will get paid to convert audio into text format. They generally pay around $20 per audio hour, if you clear the transcription test they provide. 2. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This website has literally thousands of jobs, or what they call hits, human intelligence tasks, available 24/7. Most of these jobs are data entry related, so even if you have basic skills, you can do them. 3. Capital Typing. It is a company that specializes in offering transcription jobs, data entry work and other related services. 4. OneSpace. It provides workflow automation services for businesses, and they also have a freelance section on their site. You can submit your application in their website and can find work related to transcription, writing and editing. 5. Clickworker. Clickworker provides work related to data entry, editing and research to independent contractors. You have to take small assessments to prove what you are qualified for, and get more work for quality performance. So these are the 5 websites that will pay you to do typing work. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.